by Lonely Bay and Cook's Beach. It's been nice. So today is Wednesday morning. When the easterlies pick up, we're gonna ride them easterlies all the way to Auckland. Alright, well, we're moving. We're going 8 knots and we've got 13 knots of wind, pretty much straight on the beam. I love the speed of Yama. Yama's got super speed for an old boat. We got 3 lines out. We've caught like 4 or 5 carwai this morning. The battery died on the GoPro. Nelson Calvin are on a watch for big schools of birds and bust ups. Just got a whole bunch of islands. That's the Mercury Island there, and the Mercury Island group. We're gonna cruise past there. The Yellow One is a pretty comfortable boat to sail in. It does get us from point A to point B pretty quick. Just hanging out here in the lounge inside the cockpit area. I can keep an eye on the head sail. I can see through into the horizon from this circle window through the galley. I can see the boys on the saloon there just eating their grilled cheese. I can see out the horizon anyway. I can see our plotters. I can see our wind. It's pretty cool. Just let the boat do all the work. Just make sure we stay on course. Beautiful day for sailing. Whoa! That was a massive one. Getting hit with up to 25 knot gusts. Straight on the beam. More, almost like between 90 and 60 degrees. And we just hit 11 knots at one point. How you guys going?
Good. Good. Here it is.
Whoa! What are you playing?
A riddle game. Here, let's ask Dad. Let's see. When the sun comes out, 7 of these are in a week. A period of light before night. What is it?
Sunrise?
No.
A period of light before light?
Before night.
Oh, sunset.
No. There's 7 of these in a week.
Yeah?
And it's when the sun comes out.
The sun comes out or it goes away?
When the sun comes out. It's a very simple one.
Dawn?
No.
Dusk?
No.
What?
Whoa.
One moon?
Does everybody give up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Day.
Day.
Yes, there's 7 days a week. It's the daytime. A day. Even Dad didn't get that one. That was a really good one.
Bye-bye, Yama. Where are we going?
To the fishing store so we can get some money. I mean, not money. Some tackle boxes or like some lures because from YouTube. You're spending our money today. Because from YouTube they gave us some money, so we're gonna spend it the day that we got money.
And what do you tell all the people for watching and subscribing for the reason that we got some money?
Thank you all guys for subscribing and comment. It means a lot to us.
That's right. So, big day today. Yesterday we just got our first sort of payment from YouTube and everybody's super stoked. We all have a deal to where everybody gets a percentage of that money. It's not much. I think it's like just under $200 Australian currency. So everybody wants to go to the tackle shop and spend their money on fishing stuff. What happened? So just want to say thank you very much to everybody that has watched our videos, liked, subscribed, commented, all of that good stuff. You know, obviously we're not making a bunch of money and it is a lot of work making these videos, and we're not doing it to make money, but it is a really cool gesture for the kids to be able to see it, you know, get an output from all the effort that they make into doing this stuff. And yeah, I just want to see what they are interested in putting their money into, so that this will be exciting. We are at the end of Y Jetty at the Westhaven Marina in Auckland. There's the big city. That boat right there, the blue elephant, I think, white elephant, has the tallest mast in the world. It's pretty sick. And then so yeah, we're just anchored up here across the way, so we're walking over to Burnsco. Christa is in a offshore medical training course today and tomorrow. That's the reason why we came in here, so she can do that course. It's pretty awesome.
So we're just walking, and Calvin, he ordered his food, and he doesn't want to walk, and look at him. Feet up, laying down, relaxing. Everybody else, we're all walking. Oh. Jeez, this first boat, to get that out, you'd have to move all them boats. Kevin, look, to move this one boat, you would have to move all them other 3 boats. Look at that boat, $1.8 million. This first grand boat. See that, Kevin? 2.2 million. Holy crap, it's expensive. 2.5 mil, that one. Dad, what one would you rather get? That one? Or that one? Because they're both the same price. I'd rather that big one.
Yeah, the fishing one.
Yeah. It says.
The fishing one.
Oh, that's a big poop for a little dog. Alright, Burns Cove's right here. See you guys in there. We've entered Burns Cove. Oh yeah, here's the tackle box house that Sal's talking about.
Calvin, for $15, that means I get...
Ken, this will be the good one for your jigs and softies.
Them sell whole entire skipjack.
Yeah, skipjack.
It's
So, are you gonna get it?
Holy crap, I might get that for my geyser.
20 bucks. doggies in Fiji.
No, this is too big for them things.
No, it ain't. Not that big one.
This is for kingies.
Nah. Dad.
Yeah, buddy.
So I wants to get this, but
Did you see the mini ones?
Mini.
Yeah, we got some sick mini ones over here.
but this one has a glow-in-the-dark eye, but the hooks aren't already on.
This thing's really heavy, man.
100 grams.
Might be too heavy
That
for
was
you, bro.
19.
Dad's paying for all this stuff. Me and Kevin are saving our money for Timu.
I'm getting a really good pocket knife.
Alright, Calvin, you gotta hold the dam buoy. Oh yeah, dude. Alright.
So if I fall in the water, I'm going to be holding this.
First I'll harpoon you with it. Try not to knock you out.
Please.
Alright.
Oh, sus, this is 1 cent.
Oh, boys, look what she gave us.
Inspector.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Oh, she
Alright.
just gave us that.
Now, this will go like this.
What is that?
That is a new
Building.
filleting tape.
These are normally $37 for this. Here. She just gave it to me for free.
And
Alright. We got our dam buoy.
the harpoon.
Yep.
Kylie from Burns Cove, thanks for hooking us up. You're a legend.
What do you think?
I'm thinking if I fall overboard, I'm dead before they can find me.
Alright. Well, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Alright, so what'd you get with your YouTube money?
This, so you put some secret sauce in there, it comes out there, put your line in there, comes out there, and then tie your hooks on.
That's sick, man. And Silas, what'd you get?
A really sick pocket knife.
Heck
And-
yeah, dude. Nelson?
I'm gonna save my money for Timu.
Smart boy. Calvi? Oh, you saving your money too?
Yep.
We got a dam buoy in case one of the kids falls off the boat. I can
Before I get rescued.
harpoon them. What'd you say?
I'm dead before I get rescued. And this lights up.
Sick, man.
Guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the city at nighttime with the full moon and the bridge. Yama 1. She's the best boat ever. And in this marina, no, there's a big sailboat and a big yacht. There is a massive yacht that I was telling you guys about. It even has securities on it. Holy cow.
Oh, they must be working.
Wait, they're watching TV. It's sick. There's a whole nother marina here.
We're over here at the Westhaven Marina, and just wanted to get permission to bring the dinghy around to show the kids the city lights, and then we'll be on our way.
Yes, bro.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is not the full general signatory, mate. There's boats coming in. I'll give you a heads up as well.
Thank you.
Okay, mate. You have a good one, mate. Be safe.
This opens up. Yeah, this opens up. This bridge. Mom, this bridge opens up. Look. Swimming pool.
People are swimming in there.
There. And there. All the way over there. I think you guys can see the tower better. Hello! Hello! Like and subscribe to Tidal Trackers! Say that again. Like and subscribe to Tidal Trackers!
Bookcases.
And comment. And don't forget
Oh,
to
that's
follow us on Instagram too. And share. And Facebook. Yeah, and Facebook.
Alright, so while we got the mainsail out, what I'm gonna do, so this, our halyard, I think that's what that's called, the halyard, which is the main rope that pulls the mainsail up. I had quite a few big, I think I call them frays or cuts in it, where the inside was actually coming out of it. So while we got the main out, I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully try and put a new halyard in without getting it stuck. So what I've done is I've wrapped the two cores together, electrical taped it, and then I took some wire that I have, like fishing wire, and just woven it through both of them. And it feels like it's pretty strong, so I don't need that much tension. As long as it goes through that pulley up at the top, we should be all right. So let's cross my fingers and hope I'm not gonna create more work for myself, which unfortunately tends to be the case these days. Every time I touch something, it creates more work, which sort of sucks. It's a bit of a buzzkill, so let's see how we go. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I was so nervous.
So, I don't know if you could see me or not, but we're going, here, I go on the lot over here. We are going, Sass and Mom are staying here, but me, Calvin, and...
We're taking a shower.
Yeah, they're going to get showered and staying at the jetty. But me, Calvin, and Sol, and Dad, we are going all around the corner over there into the bay where the lights are.
Because the other day we saw them busting up when we checked out the lights at the city. Show them the light now.
Yeah, it's rainbow. And we're gonna try to get a car wash.
Alright, good luck, guys.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Probably,
Bye, Cadence.
probably shark too.
Oh, you're pushing trolleys for everyone, except for you two.
Yeah.
Might be some.
Come on now. Oh, there's... Oh, one right here. On the surface. Tried to hit my lure.
Wait, that will be on the.
Oh, bait fish are jumping.
Probably. Yeah, go!
Oh, we didn't bring a bucket.
No, take it, put it over to the side, right? Just freaking got fish crap all over me. Alright, well the storm is coming. We've got tonight it's gonna be hitting. We are really in the worst situation. Sorry. I'm not even gonna say that. We're not in the worst situation. We are tied up in a marina berth, but in the entire marina, which is the largest marina in the Southern Hemisphere, we have the worst berth. We've got expected 70 knot winds coming from this direction, and out in the bay they're expecting like 6 meter swells. So we're going to be getting hit with swell and the winds that are coming straight from this direction, right on the corner bit. Alright, well, our first experience in a cyclone with Yama 1. We've got her all tied up. We've got the fronts, We got our springers. Got the back. And I actually have crossed up the two rears. So I'm hoping that's good enough to keep the Yama 1 from going anywhere. Got all our storm covers on, all the windows. Hopefully it don't flood our boat. We really do have the worst berth in the whole freaking storm.
There's literally a cyclone, and we have freaking stuff like everywhere. Like this. Like, it's so freaking windy. It pushes us back whenever we run towards it. Don't even know how we're gonna get the freaking cadence on. Like, she might already be on, but that's not.
The boys have been flipping her ear over because it keeps flapping in the wind.
That's what happened the other day. The scooter mayhem. Christa got 4 scooters from where?
Kmart.
Kmart. How much were they?
30 bucks.
30 bucks.
We tried to get some second hand, but we just had no luck. People trying to meet us.
Nobody wanted to deliver them to the Westhaven Marina, so we had to buy these little cheapo ones at Kmart. But hey, it's entertaining them. That's all that matters. Good job, Christa. We are going into the city to a skate park so we can let them wear out some energy. They've been stuck in the boat the last 2 days from Cyclone Tam or Pam? Huh?
Tam.
Cyclone Tam. Is it on?
Yeah.
Alright, so we just got the tack tied up here. And this runs through the mandrel. And that part's called the what? The foot?
That's the foot.
Yep.
Okay. That's the clue.
The clue?
The clue is the clue. This corner. Yeah.
Yep. Alright, so he's tying up the clue.
That's the leash.
Yep.
Come back. That's the front.
Right. Souls get barreled.
Whoa, it's a big open up. Oh, I'm in the barrel. Oh, stay in the barrel. Very.
How was your barrel session, Calvin? So we have JF here. He's putting in the hard-earned professional time on Yama 1 today, and it's Easter. Man, I can't thank you enough, dude.
Well, we got to do before the rain. That's the main thing.
Yeah,
Still not.
they're just putting in the battens.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate
Yeah.
it. Gosh.
Yeah. Wish you all the best, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll
That's
we'll need it. Hopefully we can go sooner than later, but
Yeah.
like Clay said, there's not a big rush. Just a good weather window would be
exactly.
the perfect situation.
Is that going to be the first passage for the family?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it'll be the
Yeah.
first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. There's your
Oh, thanks. Cool, cool. Oh,
got a
right. Oh, yes.
bottle of
Okay.
port for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Hopefully you can enjoy it on Easter, man. Thank you so much for coming
Yes.
out.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
It's very
we
nice to meet you.
Yes, might see you another time. You know,
Yeah.
New Zealand, this is quite nice country.
All right, JF, John Francois. This is Nautilus Sails. You, man, we wow, the wind just picked up. But we got the mainsail back in. We're back in business, baby. John Francois, JF from Nautilus Sails. Thank you so much. For anybody that's in Auckland area or New Zealand for that matter that wants a sail made or needs some sail work done, he is just on the northern side of the bay of, I'm not really sure, Auckland Bay I think it's called. So pretty much there's the city. His loft is just over there. We came in on Sunday. He helped me pull the sail down because I've never done anything like that before. And then it's Sunday, so within 1 week he's turned the sail around completely, fixed everything, and he helped me reinstall it. And today's Easter, so man, can't thank you enough. And I highly recommend. He did some really good work on the sail, so pretty stoked. All right, well, it is Easter and there's an Easter egg hunt happening, so Christa and I are gonna hide some eggs. Ooh, that one's good. We gotta count them, how many, so we don't lose any.
1, 2, 3. You wanna hide the money egg?
Ooh, the money egg. They're gonna be fighting over this one. It's gonna have to be so good. It's blue. What blends in with blue? The money egg. We're just waiting for the boys to come out of that gate. Here they come. All right, here they come. All right, you ready for the rules?
Yeah.
Don't look at me. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Okay, keep eyes on me. All right, scooter's down in this spot. Eyes on me. Don't be looking around. I see you. Okay, listen, the rules are there are no eggs in the parking lot.
Yeah, no, I see one right now.
Hey, look at me. Okay, all the eggs are in this area. If you go into the road or the parking lot, it's too far.
Yeah.
If you've already found one, you cannot grab that one.
What?
Yeah, eyes on me. All right, are you ready? Christa, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set, go. Wait, what?
In the bird's nest.
Whoa.
Mom, I found one in the bird's nest.
Wow, so you found the bird's nest.
All right,
Ooh.
look at all these eggs. What do you guys say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you.
All right, here's the heathens. This way, boys.
One is a jackpot.
Oh, on your marks, get sets, go. All right, update. Calvin has 12 eggs. Nelson has how many? 6. He's way under. But the jackpot and one other egg still remains. Who's gonna find it? Nobody knows. Oh yeah.
I didn't do any digging.
What do you guys say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Come on. No?
I don't know.
All right. Well, we the other half of the family's in a different Uber because there's no Uber XLs here, and we are heading to Manaya Seafood Boil.
Yep, I want to have some lobsters and some crabs. It'll be really yum.
Oh yeah, we're so hungry. It's gonna be awesome Easter dinner. Oh, you booked a green too.
I just booked the cheapest one.
You guys ready for the sickest dinner for Easter?
Dad, our Tesla was disgusting.
Oh, the Tesla was disgusting.
The door was like...
Had a guitar in it. The doors had guitars in it.
Nice. Oh, yours is way better.
And
Oh,
like,
look at that.
the doors were so
Fully
hard to
booked.
open. I was like, what's this? Is this to open the windows? And then...
Oh yeah. Manaya Seafood Boil. Oh yeah, baby. Oh.
I'm going right in that product.
Hey, real quick, a picture.
Picture.
Oh yeah, dude.
I just want to grab one of these things. These little lobsters.
Hey, no more. Wait.
I got many lobsters.
Oh dang.
More.
Double.
The lobster tails are in there.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
There's mussels.
That's just 20
Look at that.
I'm ready to
That
get
is huge. What do you think about this, Calvi?
I'm gonna smash it.
lying.
Jeez. So look at this. Oh my gosh.
There's lobsters. Why the heck is that? Don't take any more. What's all this tiny lobsters? You gotta get in front of.
Beautiful, thank you.
What is it?
Cajun garlic butter sauce.
Oh, Cajun garlic butter sauce, baby.
You don't have to use gloves.
Look at that. What do you... This is like up there with one of the best Easter.
This is the best Easter meal I think I've ever had. Look at this.
Oh
Lobster.
my gosh.
Wait, the dipping sauce. Lollipop.
Look at this.
Wow.
like dessert.
All that remains is 2 potatoes. We couldn't finish the 2 potatoes, huh?
So I had like 5.
It came with like 16 potatoes. Crazy. So good. Hey, so 1 out of 5 stars. What do you think? Hey, 1 out of 5.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. This place is awesome. If you are in Auckland, Manaya Seafood, Boyle. Come on, come on. You gotta go here. Freaking awesome. Whoa! We're doing Sky Tower, baby! Down, no, 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 no. Look here, guys. Ready? Smile. Wait. Nice. Oh. We're going 50 floors. Minecraft tower.
My ears.
Oh.
I haven't walked.
My butt cheeks.
I see the bottom.
Whoa, look. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh my goodness.
Do not jump. I don't want to be jumping.
Look, Yama 1 is way down there. Hello, Yama 1.
Here we come. I can see it. It's at the very end.
I'm jumping. Just kidding. Nice. We're going scuba riding, baby.